Good morning friends, today is Sunday and we are going to ride. Punta tayo dun sa may tabing dagat. Medyo malapit lang dito. So, may ginagawa kasi dun parang wharf. Bisitahin natin. Malapit yun sa Baywalk. Okay? So, let's ride my friends. Okay, let's go my friends. Ready to ride. Okay, medyo madilim pa mga friends. Pero ano na, 5:30 na. So kailangan natin gumo. Let's go. Okay, good morning friends. Okay, today is Sunday, medyo madilim pa. Ayan. Okay, aga-aga tayo lumabas ngayon. Very good. Bigla sana maraming aso. Okay, happy Sunday to all. At shout out sa lahat ng mga riders, bikers, at mga friends natin dyan. Okay, let's go. Okay, dito na tayo sa pagpalabas ng Santa Lourdes. Umahabol sa akin si Gas. Ayun, hindi binilisan ko para maiwan. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari. Hindi na siya nakasunod, pero sana hindi siya bugbugin ng mga aso dyan. Okay, anyway, let's go. Okay, dito sa Irawan Tagburos. Ayan. Hindi kaya ito yung memorial na sinasabi nila na malaki na ginagawa. Okay, paahon tayo dyan. Okay, alright. Okay. Woohoo! Yeah ba? Yes. Alright. Ayan, dito tayo sa banga, mga friends, no? Okay, kakanan tayo dito. Ang daming nagra-ride, oh. Marami tayong masasalubong, sila papanik tayo. Papunta tayo dito. Okay, let's go. Ayan, dito tayo sa kahabaan ng North Puerto Princesa North Road. Ayan, sikat ng araw. Okay, meron tayong nakasalubong ng bikers. Ayan, mapanig sila. Tayo papunta tayong dagat. Sila puntang bundok. Okay, marami tayong mga joggers. Okay, so dire-diretso lang to mga friends. Ayan, isa. Hindi tayo pinansin. Morning. Share daw. Hindi na tayo na pagkamalang ma'am. Hindi na tayo na pagkakamalang ma'am. Bigat. Bye sa. Yeehaw! Morning. Good morning. Ayan tayo yung mga gadget dito. Ayan. Ayan, meron tayong mga nakasabay. Ayan. Mukhang amag-amat eh. Pero batak na batak yung tatay eh. Masok place ng dating. Okay, nasa city na tayo. Alright, dire-diretso lang to. Dito tayo sa bay. Okay, let's go. Okay, Malbal Road na tayo. SM. Tapos Baywalk. Yeah. May dagat na. Ayan ang SM. SM. We got it all. Oh yeah. Ayun, dito na tayo sa Sandoval Street. Okay, baba tayo dyan. Turn right daw. Ayun, let's go. Okay, Alusong. Ito na yun. Ito na yung parang wharf na ginagawa dito. Okay, tingnan natin. On the right. There, and on the right. So, ba ano? Hanggang saan tayo abutin? Okay, let's go. Under construction pa. Wow. Tingnan natin kung papayagan tayo pumasok. Daming doggy. Morning po. Ayan. Ayan, daming doggy dito. Ito yung ginagawa na wharf. Minsan siguro mag-jogging dito. Ayan. Yun, no? Makahabaan. Yeah ba? And we are here. Yun, no? Ayan, babaykin natin mamaya papunta ron. Okay, touchdown. Ayun, dito na tayo. Ayan. Malapit lang to. Under construction pa to eh. Ayan, siguro pag nabuo ito hanggang doon, no? Diretso doon sa pier. Tapos masarap lang mag-jogging dito. Tsaka tumambay siguro pag nagawa ito. Okay, pinalapad nila yung kumbaga sa ano yung pier, dinugtungan nila. Ayan yung pier, daungan ng bama. Nahaba nila ito. Marami daw nilikas dito eh, mga squatter. Ayun. Tapos ito, yung nandun, yan yung Plaza Cuartel. Tapos ayun, nakikita natin yung katedral sa tabi ng Plaza Cuartel. Okay, pahinga lang tayo, babalik tayo. Ganap tayo ng mga kakainan. So dito pumapasok yung mga barko. Doon dumadaong yung mga galing Manila, yung mga tugo diyan papasok mata rito. Para tong cove yun o, mga bunganga yan, tapos papasok sila dito. Ayan. May yate, mga rich. Okay, so here we are. Yun, pwede tayo diretso tayo sa tubig. Ayan, no? Ooh. Ayun, dito na ngayon tayo sa ano to? Hindi ko lang tawag dito, basta ito na yun. Ayun, mamaya titignan ko sa mapa ko na tawag nila dito. Nakita ko lang to sa Google Map. Ayun, kaya pinuntahan natin. Alam mo si Google, maraming chinichismis sa atin yan saan tayo lugar dinadala yan. Ayan, nakita natin, pinuntahan natin. Okay. Fishing community. So yan, ano natin dulo. Ito yung dulo, no? Oh, ang ganda ng mga bundok dun. Kaya ha? Oh, mountain ranges. Ganda. Yun. So ayan, tumambay lang tayo ng konti rito at babalik na tayo sa city pa to kaya lang dun. So let's go, napunta na natin. Morning. Kaya palabas na tayo. Pag nabuksan to, maganda to. Maraming papasyal dito, lalo na sa gabi. Ayan. Okay, palabas na tayo. Magandang umaga. Tayo sa Baywalk, parang merong rowing dito. Parang merong rowing competition. Daming ganap dito ngayon Let's see. Meron nga ditong dragon boat. May dragon boat dito. Ayun, may dragon.
So I'm sure you guys are aware.
Dragon Boat Festival.
Dinner. Yes. What time is the dinner? 6 p.m. is the official time. 6 p.m. is the official time. Let's message Manila Viber about the free presentation.
Meron pa rin dragon boat.
Coach, pwede na bang i-announce yung
Go from home.
mamaya na lang. They are nice very nice prizes from Coach Len. And you guys know that already for sure. Any other questions?
You're from Hong Kong? Yes.
Let's see. I'm not sure yet. Let's see how the team performs.
Anong team kayo?
White Shark.
White Shark.
White Shark.
Okay, but you know, this race is very different from yesterday because it's 200 meters, so this is very, very quick. So I guess you're on Viber.
Okay, na-jackpot natin. Meron dito.
Nasa Viber.
Dragon Boat Festival.
No, she's my friend. So are you on Viber? No, just kidding.
Yeah, meron Dragon
So
Boat
if you guys don't know where the Coliseum is, just ask on Viber and probably we can give you the direction. So it's a Coliseum. So I haven't been there, but it's a Coliseum here in Puerto Princesa. What's the name of the Coliseum? Yeah. So it's easy. I just said that you didn't want to ask, but there's a transpo. So are you on Viber? Are you? No, just kidding. No. Ano ba yung situation Dutch later for the dinner? If you pick up sila on their hotel, or there are pickup points. Mendoza Park.
Mighty Dragon.
No, it's included in the dinner. That's right. It's from Coach Len. That's right. Alright guys, let's just have fun. This is a relaxed. Yes, team managers meeting, let's have a team picture. We were able to do it yesterday. But again, let's just have fun. This is 200 meter race. And let's enjoy the day. And let's party. Okay? Can we... Uy, wala na TV. Okay, dito na lang. Sorry, speaking Tagalog. Can we have a photo op quickly? Are you on Viber? Okay, let's just have a quick photo op.
Good morning. Philippine Titans. Dragon del Sur. Morning po.
Okay guys, let's do this.
Ayun, mga iba-ibang klaseng teams. Dami nila. Ayun pa. Alright. Okay, mag-start na ang Dragon Boat. Sabi nung Coast Guard, si Sir Coast Guard. Ayan. Mag-start na. Okay. Panoorin natin saglit. Hindi na natin tatapusin, pero panoorin natin.
Please proceed to the loading area. Once again, our boat holders assigned from the City Sports, please proceed to the loading area. Thank you. Once again, race number 1, women's heat 1, Yasha Dragons, Philippine Titans, UP, Hong Kong, China Canoe, loading area please. And please stand by race number 2, Fire Dragons Team B, Saguan.
Malapit na mag-start ang race. So, standby lang tayo.
University of the Philippines, Dragon Boat Team. So good luck, UP.
Ay, kayo taga-dukduk lang oh.
This is race number 1, our first race for 200-meter race. And this is women's. Lane number 1 is Yasha Dragons from USA. Lane number 2 is Philippine Titans from Manila. Lane number 3 is UP from Manila. And lane number 4 is Hong Kong China Canoe from Hong Kong. So once again, this is a 200-meter race, and our qualification rules is first and second will go to semi-finals, third and fourth will be eliminated. So once again, lane number 1 is Yasha Dragons, lane number 2 is Titans, lane number 3 is UP, lane number 4 Hong Kong China Canoe. So this is 200-meter race, and we're almost halfway already for the finish line. And leading so far looks like lane number 4, and that is Hong Kong China Canoe. But they're doing now their last kick, so it can still change. Lane number 2, Philippine Titans, is doing their last kick. There you go, doing their last kick. Lane number 2, and that is the Philippine Titans now doing their last kick. Now it's Philippine Titans being followed by lane number 4, Hong Kong China Canoe, followed by lane number 3, UP, and lane number 1, Yasha Dragons. So there you go. As you can see, this is 200-meter race. Very quick, very fast. And
Panalo UP. Panalo UP.
alright, there you go. This is race number 2, and this is women's standard heat 2. Lane number 1 is Fire Dragons Team B from Manila. Lane number 2, Saguan from Manila. And of course, your very own Puerto Princesa White Sharks Team B and A on lane number 3 and 4. Once again, this is heat number 2. Once again, lane number 1 is Fire Dragons. Lane number 2, Saguan. Lane number 3 and 4 are both from Puerto Princesa White Sharks. Okay, almost halfway, and leading so far is lane number 2, and that is Saguan, being followed by lane number 1, Fire Dragons, or lane number 4, Puerto Princesa White Sharks Team A. Okay, leading so far, lane number 2, that is Saguan. Saguan being the leading so far. Lane number 2, Saguan. Lane number 4 is Puerto Princesa White Sharks. But lane number 1, Fire Dragons. Okay, there you go, lane number 2. That was Saguan, being followed by lane number 1. That is Fire Dragons. Alright, there you go. This is race number 3, and this is the heat number 3 for women's. Lane number 1 is Rampage. Lane number 2, Siargao Dragons. Lane number 3, Dagun Pilipinas. So first 2, 1 and 2 will move to the finals, and the third will be eliminated. So once again, lane number 1 is Rampage. Lane number 2 is Siargao Dragons. Lane number 3 is Dagun Pilipinas. So once again, this is the heat number 3 for women's. Alright, halfway already, and looks like lane number 3 is leading. Lane number 3 is Dagun Pilipinas, being followed by lane number 2, Siargao Dragons, and lane number 1 is Rampage. Okay, lane number 3 is Dagun Pilipinas, still leading the race.
Sama Siargao. Lane 2, Siargao. Yun. Tapos lane 3 ata ay Puerto Princesa White Shark.
Is our friends from Okinawa, Japan, but they are from the United States of America. Once again, Yasha Dragons.
Okay, palusyon na tayo dito sa Malbar. At yan, nanampasan na natin SM. Pabalik na tayo sa ano. Punta tayong Robinsons banda. Okay. Ayun. Dating doon, ano na yun, Puerto Princesa North Road, Tanto.
Yes sir,
2 pieces pancake po.
2 piece pancake.
Tapos
Drinks,
coffee.
For dining po tayo.
Dining.
150.
Thank you.
Cheesy pancake and clear. Receipt 200 sir.
Yeah.
Change po 90.
Thank you.
Thank you. Number is po.
Jollibee tayo. Pancake. And Okay, papasok na tayo ng Lourdes. Nakabalik na rin tayo. Ay, na-jackpotan natin yung ano, Dragon Boat Festival pala. Dream yun, hindi ko alam yun. Buti na lang pumunta tayo dun sa may ginagawang work at dumaan tayo dun sa Baywalk. Doon meron Japan, Hong Kong, US, Manila, Serbia, kung saan Philippines, may Davao pa eh. Okay, so yun, Dragon Boat Festival. Ayos. Ayun. Okay, ito na tayo sa Mount Calvary Trail. Dito ko iniwan si Gus kanina, humahabol. Pinaspasan ko lang, kung hindi ko pinaspasan hahabol sa akin yan. Hindi ko lang alam kung nakauwi siya, sana nakauwi. Kasi maraming aso dito, sana hindi naligaw. Here we are. Ayan na, home sweet home, back to home base. Ayan.
May mga pumasok na dito. Wala?
Yun, yung mga enduro magte-trailer. Yan. Diyan, yun yung sinasabi ko, hindi ko makita yung daan. Subukan natin susunod na lang. Walang soft drinks, bibili sana ako, sorry na lang. Okay mga friends, dito na natin natapos ang ating vlog. So yun, nakita natin yung unexpected, may Dragon Boat Festival pala sa Baywalk. Buti siya naglitan natin. Okay, so yun, maganda rin naman. Hindi ko na tinapos hanggang ano yan, hanggang 12, no? Pero yung unang hit, second hit, manalo ang first yung UP women's, second yung ano to, babae din, yan tawag. Basta nandiyan sa vlog, marinig natin. Okay, so hanggang dito na lang mga friends, at salamat sa pagsama nyo. This is Master D214 nagsasabing adios amigo, I shall return. Bye bye.